Hi, friends, and thanks for coming for another lesson. So, we are learning about living and non living. Do you guys know this? Living and non living? Well, living are things that need air to breathe, they need food, they need water, and then non living are things that don't need those things. So let's go into a little more detail about living and non living, and then we're going to get a chance to play a little game, okay? All right. So, again, let's talk about living. What is living? Okay. Everyone breathe in. Breathe out. Now you're breathing in air and breathing out air. And that is part of living. Everyone breathe in again. Breathe out. That is living. Isn't that awesome? Now, do you know who else breathes? Plants. So even though we don't see them breathing, going this, even though we don't see them doing that, they're taking in the oxygen that's in the air. That's what we breathe, taking the oxygen in the air, and they're growing and they're living and they're thriving. So even if something doesn't look like it's breathing, if it's living, it needs air, okay? It needs that oxygen. So that's one thing about living. Another thing that we need to live is water, water. So you guys enjoy drinking water? Who likes drinking water? Well, good, because it is a very important thing to drink water. Drink lots of water. And then other things need water too, right? Like the plants and the bugs and oh, the fish, do fish need water? They live in the water. They need the water. And do the fish need air? They do. They have gills and they breathe through their gills on the sides of their body. And even though they live in the water, there's still that air, that oxygen in the water, and they still use it. Isn't that amazing? So many living things. All right, what else do living things need? Food, food, yes, yummy food. Mmm, yummy, delicious. So we eat food, right? And here's some yummy things that we might eat. And then do fish have food? Yes, they do. And doggies have food, and um, plants have food. But do plants eat food like this? Do they eat like sandwiches and things like that? No, no. They use the sun. So remember that song we sing about plants, so the sunshine? That's actually what they use to keep their leaves nice and green, and it's nutrient for them. So it's kind of like what they eat. And so should we sing our plants need to grow song? Because I think it's a nice reminder of something that's living, right? Ready? Air, water, sunshine, air, water, sunshine, soil and space, soil and space. These are the five things, these are the five things plants need to grow, plants need to grow. And so that's a fun reminder because plants are something that are living and they need all of those things. And we need air, water. Instead of sunshine, we use food. Soil is so that they can get the water. So, and then space, we all need to make sure that we're not all cramped up too, right? So, but these are kind of the things that make us think about whether it's living or not living. All right. So, should we play a game? Okay, let's play a game. And it's going to get a little tricky. It's called Which One is Living? Okay, let's play Which One is Living. Ready? Which one is living? The goldfish! The goldfish! Did you guys get it? Yes, the goldfish. The goldfish needs air and water and fish food. Does the trike need uh uh air, water, or food? No, I mean we can take care of our tricycle by cleaning it with water, right? And treating it well, definitely. But it's what we call non-living, non-living versus the fish. The goldfish is living. Okay, that was too easy. Let's do another one, okay? All right, ready? Which one is living? Which one is living? The plant's living. Did you guys guess the plant? The plant, or did you know? The plant, yes, the plant is living. And even though a robot dog will have a way of, barking and moving and even going and fetching and doing all kinds of really cool, complicated things, it does not need food, right? It does not need water. And so it's what we call non-living, right? Okay, let's see. We're gonna get a little trickier, okay? Ready? Which one is living? Which one is living? Did you say the fruits and vegetables? Yes, those are called living. And even though they're off the plant or they're off the tree, they're what we call living because that is how they were made. Was from a living thing. And so we eat living things to keep ourselves nutrited by humans, people. But look, even this one that's non-living, the water, is still very, very important for us and very important for everybody. Water, drinking water, and watering the plants, and water for all the bugs and all the animals. So, what's really cool that even something living and non living, they're both very, very useful. Okay. All right. Last one. This is going to be another one. Okay. Ready? One, two, three. Which one is living? They both are. They both are. Oh, I tried to trick you. Did you guys get tricked? So the puppy is living, yes. And also the honeybee is living too. So we have lots of living things. And we want to make sure we love and respect all of the living things that are on our planet and that we take care of all the living things that we have and take care of ourselves. So thank you so much for coming and learning about living and non-living. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye, guys.